Hi everybody, how are you? Hope you all are safe and secure during this pandemic period. My name is Vincent Yao, and today I'm going to talk about dust versus coronavirus. Based on your opinion, which one is more harmful, dust or coronavirus? I believe many people will give me the same answer. Yes, if your answer is coronavirus, you are right. We are now exposed to the threat of coronavirus and we badly need some form of protection to protect ourselves and our family members from COVID-19 infection. However, the most important issue we have to consider right now is what kind of respiratory protection are we using? Or what type of mask are we wearing so that we can 100% protect ourselves from this deadly coronavirus. So, what kind of mask are you wearing right now? Fabric mask, 3-ply medical mask, or N95 particulate respirator? Today, I'm going to share my experience with you about respiratory protection from the occupational safety and health perspective. Each country has its own occupational safety and health department. For example, in UK, they call it Occupational Safety and Health Executive. In US, they call it Occupational Safety and Health Administration. And in our country, we call it Department of Occupational Safety and Health, short form DOSH. Or in Malay, Jabatan Keselamatan Kesihatan Pekerja, short form JKKP. The mission of occupational safety and health is only one, which is to ensure people are working in a safe and healthy working environment. Under Malaysia DOSH regulation, if we are working in a dusty environment, such as cement factory, the minimum requirement for respiratory protection is N95 particulate respirator, which means that you need to wear N95 particulate respirator during working hours. 3-ply mask is not considered an option because it does not qualify as respiratory protection. Why 3-ply face mask cannot be used in cement industry? The reason is simple. 3-ply face mask is not face fit. When you wear the 3-ply face mask, it won't fit your face properly because it is loose fitting, and there are lots of gaps which is causing leakage. When you inhale, cement dust can penetrate into your nose through those gaps, so it cannot provide any reliable respiratory protection. Why the Department of Occupational Safety and Health pays so much attention on this? It is because cement dust contains many harmful substances such as silica. If you inhale too much silica, in long runs, for example, after 1 year, 2 years, 5 years, or maybe 10 years, it will cause a lung disease called silicosis. At worst case scenario, it may cause lung cancer. Now, let's do a conclusion. When you expose to cement dust, you need to wear N95 particulate respirator because in long runs, it will cause lung disease, but cement dust won't infect your whole family members. As far as coronavirus cases is concerned, this is fatal infection. The infection spread fast, and once you're infected, you may infect your whole family member as well. Until today, more than 2 billion people has been infected with coronavirus worldwide, and the accumulated death is 4.5 million cases, which continue to grow like nobody business. So, what type of respiratory protection you should use? Or what type of mask you should wear? The answer is definitely not 3-ply face mask. The minimum requirement is N95 particulate respirator. If you have budget, it's better to go for higher standard such as N100 or FFP3 particulate respirator. Another important thing you must remember is that you need to wear N95 particulate respirator for full working hours, as long as there's a risk of exposure to coronavirus, especially when you are moving around indoors such as working in office, working in outlet, working in dental clinic or general clinic, because those environments are considered as closed environment with no adequate airflow or air circulation. If you are using face shield, you should also wear N95 particulate respirator because N95 particulate respirator is the first line of defense that provides you with the highest level of respiratory protection. I hope this video explained to you the importance of wearing N95 particulate respirator. If you are still wearing 3-ply face mask, please change to N95 particulate respirator without further hesitation. If you care for your family and the living environment in which you live, please wear the correct mask, which is N95 particulate respirator. Thank you for watching.